increase the home loan rates that offered you loans at 8% are on their way out. While most large banks like ICICI Bank and HDFC have already pulled out their teaser loan campaigns, all eyes are now on market leader SBI, which will make up its mind at the end of the month.
If they go out, and they look like they will go out end of this month, clearly it would possibly, and let's see what they are replaced by. I mean, what are the floating rates and what they remain, and whether they increase or whether they remain constant. I think clearly there will be an impact on demand, especially if the interest rates rise.
And to add to that, market watchers expect the RBI to increase interest rates further in the next credit policy at the end of April. So your home loan rate might actually go up to 9.75% in 2 months. And if you plan to buy your home in Mumbai, the news gets worse. The state government is strongly considering increasing stamp duty for property in Mumbai from the current 5% to 8.5%. So what's the solution? Our experts recommend you try to close and register your home deal as soon as possible.
If you can take a decision and buy a property within the next 20 days, which you can do if you have finalized your property already, do it, and do it now. Take the teaser loan if you can.
Next, if you're looking to buy a home, try and buy one that's ready or at least near completion.
Most developers will obviously deliver on their promises, but still I think since there is no discount available for taking the risk, I don't see why a regular consumer should take the risk. So that's as far as deciding the property is concerned. Try and go for a property that's already ready, even if it may be second sale, or something that's almost ready. Maybe it's going to be ready in the next 2 or 3 months, so that your construction risk is very small.
So step on the gas and close your housing deal. But remember, speak to at least 4 banks to find the loan with the lowest interest rate. Make sure your loan has the lowest prepayment charges as well. And check for other charges on your loan when you take it.